Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating system and the camera app so you have latest fixes. Next, open developer options and limit background processes to 2 to free CPU cycles for capture. Once done, verify storage type and free at least 10% space. Low free space slows write speed and causes dropped frames. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the camera app and enable high-performance mode if your device offers it, so the camera gets priority CPU and thermal headroom. You now tune capture parameters to balance quality and reliability. In Pro mode, set ISO and shutter manually to avoid hunting that causes dropped frames. Lock focus when possible. If the device heats or storage is slow, drop resolution or bitrate. 1080p at a lower bitrate beats interrupted 4K. Use RAW for single shots where detail matters, but prefer JPEG or HEIF for long sequences. Also stagger burst intervals or use interval shooting to prevent thermal throttling. You finish by stabilizing performance and validating results. Record sample clips after changes and monitor CPU, temperature, and write speed so you can see if throttling or slow I/O remains. If overheating is persistent, use a small fan or remove case. External cooling often keeps sustained performance. When problems persist, clear camera cache, reinstall the app, and test internal storage versus high-speed SD card. Make sure cards are U3/V30 or better. One tip, reboot between tests to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.